Hi friends and welcome back. It's Miss Beergood again. And today we are going to be talking about a yellow zone emotion that I think we all can relate to. And that is the feeling of feeling grumpy. Now sometimes we can identify just why we're feeling grumpy. We might be having one of those days in which things just are not going as expected. We're having to put in extra effort, having to do things over again that we weren't expecting. Things that we thought were going to happen aren't falling in place, those kinds of things. But other days, I don't know, maybe I can't possibly be the only one. Some days I just wake up and I kind of feel grumpy from the start. Not exactly sure why. Kind of in a bad mood. And sometimes it can be a little bit easy to get stuck in that negative feeling crabby, feeling cranky, feeling grumpy. Our friends sometimes can help us out. Sometimes we just need time to pass, right? And then we feel better. Other times it's because maybe we haven't gotten enough sleep or enough to eat. It all depends, right? So the book I'm going to read today, you might just be able to relate to. It is called A Grumpy Bird. And I thought it was really fun because it, like I said, describes a feeling I think we all can relate to. This book is written and illustrated by Jeremy Tankard, Grumpy Bird. I love his expression too, because I can relate. It says, do not disturb. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Well, hi, Gloria. Are you going to listen to this story? Even Gloria's grumpy sometimes. Not very often, though. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Well, hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. Oh, I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Oh, hello, Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg, and the other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. And that's the end of our story. I wonder, what helps you get out of a bad mood? Do you have ideas? We're all different. And even we're different from day to day, and that's okay. And remember, our emotions are kind of a lot like the weather. They change, don't they? So even when we're having a grumpy mood, we can remind ourselves it won't last forever. It'll change too. And with that, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Take care. Till next time.